that, coupled with scientific management of the wild wealth of Odisha, while facilitating the people to enjoy the pristine beauty of nature. Recovery program for the locally extinct sambar, gaur and black bucks was taken up in Chandray Dampada Wildlife Sanctuary and Balushed for care of the orphaned and rogue elephants and in training them to build an elephant army for helping the department in tackling wild emergencies. Keonjhar is now rehabilitated in Nandankanan Zoo under their intensive care. Tiger supplementation at Simlipal and translocation to Satkosia and Debrigarh has been taken up for bringing back the roar of tigers in these pristine forests. Scientific and focused management of grasslands and meadows development in Simlipal, Satkosia, Debrigarh and Chandray resulted in significant growth of herbivores population and keeping the elephants inside the for elephant, tiger and leopard education. For the first time, a black tiger safari received approval for establishment at Moncha Bandha of Mayurbhanj district. Jungle safari